What's up, y'all? Pete's here. See? Here he is. Yes, I've been drinking lots of coffee today. This is about ribbon wire. There's gold plating in here. And if you want to get to it, this is the easiest way to get them open. See where the ribbon wire is actually at in between the two pieces of plastic. Give it a little bite. And it unlocks it. And you just peel off the ribbon. And there's gold on these little teeth. Before you say it's not worth it, it always is to somebody. It may as well be you. That's how you get into the ribbon wire. Just again, cut right there where you can see the wire, the gray line. Well, I said cut it. And it just opens right up. Voila. And sometimes the teeth will pull out on the wire, which is fine because they're just as easy to tear loose. Plink. Plink. Pidididing. Well. And there you go. Another place to find some gold is in the ribbon wire. Well, the wire itself is copper, but there's gold plating inside here. See ya!